The more you expose your life, the more vulnerable you become. The more you speak, the more room people find to tear you down. It's a brutal truth, but a necessary one. There's something incredibly powerful about going silent, about vanishing, about rebuilding yourself in the shadows where no one can interfere. This isn't hiding. This is transformation. Disappearing isn't about running away. It's about reappearing as someone unrecognizable. If you want to pull this off, the first rule is simple. Shut your mouth. Stop talking about your goals, your struggles, your process. Silence protects you. Every time you speak openly, you risk giving away your energy, your momentum, and your vision. Learn to catch your thoughts before they escape your lips. Your progress thrives in mystery. Next, stop seeking approval. The world doesn't care about your plans the way you think it does. And when you believe it does, your actions are no longer yours. Create a version of yourself in your mind, a person you admire, respect, and want to become. Then obsess over their opinion. Would they be proud of you? That's the only validation that matters now. Hide your plans. Keep them locked up like the password to your future. Every time you share them, imagine you're lowering your chances by 5%. Share only what's necessary, and only with those who truly align with your vision. Precision is power. Your dreams are fragile. Protect them like treasure. And when you start seeing progress, and you will, hide that too. Don't post your results. Don't flaunt your glow up. Stay focused. Showcasing your gains too early is how you lose them. Pour that energy back into your grind. Progress is fuel. Don't waste it on applause. Use it to climb. Then comes the hardest part. Hide your pain. The crying, the bleeding, the mental fatigue. You will suffer in silence, but this is where your strength will grow. It's easy to vent to friends. It's easy to look for comfort. But you're not here for easy. You're here to become something no one's seen before. Let rock bottom become your springboard. Scream into the wind if you must, but build alone. Heal alone. Rise alone. And when you're in the shadows, choose your targets. What are you building? Is it a stronger body? A thriving business? Total self-mastery? Be specific. Write it down. Look at it daily. But let no one else see it. Make it yours alone. Then revolve your life around that vision. Every hour, every breath should push you closer. Your environment, your schedule, your habits, build it all around the mission. Obsession isn't a flaw here, it's a requirement. Track your progress. Break big goals into daily wins. Adjust, improve, repeat. Your time in the shadows must be intentional. Finally, reprogram your mind. Learn to love the silence, love the grind. Find joy in being unseen. The real shift isn't in your body or your bank account, it's in your mindset. When no one is clapping and you're still pushing, that's when you know you've changed. And here's the twist. After all this work, after all this growth, you might not even want to reappear. The applause won't matter anymore. You'll have found peace in your power, and that's the ultimate transformation. You won't just have changed. You'll have become unshakable. The world won't recognize you, but you'll finally recognize yourself.